I'm swerving. Bad bitch, but you know I'm curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Got a check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's IZZA and we're back in the building in the gap. Okay, so for today's video, it is another vlog. As you guys know, I am a uni student. I'm entering my second year and I'm at a university in Liverpool and I study dance because I'm a dancer. So today it's moving vlog. It's the moving vlog, and I feel like I started my vlog last year when I moved in for first year. I think I was like here. I am moving in pretty much by myself, and I did leave quite a few of my things in Liverpool. Like, I'm moving into the same place, so today's vlog should be more chill, more vibes and interesting. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I upload twice a week, I think. We'll see. It depends what the timetable says, but we're gonna say twice a week for now and then just take it from there. So this is the OOTD. I know my mirror is dirty. I don't want to hear about it in the comments. I really don't. So all black, you know, the vibes. And then let's just have a look at the room. Bye. It's just empty. So that's suitcase number 1. That's just going to be cleared. Oh, I need to pack my Alexa. Lol. Suitcase number 2. And then my flowery backpack because why not? So yeah, I'm going to finish packing up. And then we're going to head out. As always, mayhem, last minute. But we shall be making our way smoothly, swiftly. I'm getting the train up there, but my parents are driving me to Euston because with all of the luggage, it was not going to be possible. Nala Watara is coming along. Nala! Bro, Nala, wait! She's going to be coming with us, and yeah, let's just pray I make my train. I get hop in the car. Nala, you driving? Nala, you driving? Let me die. Nala! This. Come on. Nala, this one. Go on. Good girl. Just got to the station. Mum's ahead of me. I left Dad in the car with Nala. Obviously, she's upset. Huh? No, just a compa. But yeah, we're on our way to the station. We've got both suitcases. Life is good. And yeah. Where's my train? My train is right there, the 207. Mum's left me. So I'm literally by myself. She's very cute though. She's giving me like a whole pep talk of like, don't do this, don't hug people, don't talk to people. But you know, I'm responsible. So I got here early, so I'm literally just waiting for the platform to show the number. And then we will be boarding. And then we're going to go to Liverpool. Luckily, I got one of my friends to meet me up there because the stuff I have, I'm not trying to carry by myself. So yeah, I'll catch in with you guys in just a bit. I've just made it onto the train. So I think I'm going to edit a few videos. So I've got a few videos to edit. So I'm probably going to take that time to edit. And yeah, so if you haven't watched the other videos, you know what to do. Go click over there. We've just arrived. Warren came to help me with my luggage. So, yeah. Should I say hi to the people then? Well, anyway, so we just got into the Uber and then we're going to go to my accommodation and then we're going to unpack and then we'll see what the festivities say for tonight. So I just got back in to my place.
You say welcome to the crib.
Oh, go!
To my spot.
He really...
Got a big window here.
Wow.
Tiny window here.
See, you're actually fucking different. And then this is the bathroom. You guys saw the bathroom last year, but I'm gonna try and add some stuff in. Why is it? Okay, this needs to just go in the bin. But yeah. Cute, cute. So let's start unpacking.
Filmora produced it.
Anyway, you wanna maybe cut the track? So,
It's like I'm fine again, but it's better. I want some of them, they're not clever. But my Heineken and myself.
anyway, we're gonna go. I'm gonna grab some food, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Hi guys, this is Isabelle, Tara. I'm joking. We're not at my accommodation, as you can tell, because my kitchen does not look like this. But we went to Warren's accommodation because we had to get some stuff, and I'm gonna have a pizza. And today's episode of Cooks with Izzy is sponsored by Aldi. This on. This oven though.
What's up, guys? What is it? Into the building, into the gap. Come on.
It's actually out, it's night time, so we're gonna head back to mine. And we're gonna have a link up, I'm joking. You know, it's actually a pandemic, we're gonna have
We're gonna have a house party. Everyone's coming.
He's waffling. He's waffling. We're having just a small get together with the people who already live, you know, at the accommodation. And yeah, so I feel like I might end the vlog here, but once we get back to my accom, I'll show you how I left my room, and then, you know, we'll take it from there. I vlogged because
Me love when they big black wood in your throat. Me say tongue in your throat, yeah.
Can you move? So as you guys, I've moved in. I didn't really show you much, but obviously it's the same place as always. I'm just chilling with my housemates and the cracker that you keep seeing. So if you guys want to see what my room looks like, I will link my room tour so you can see down there. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Go check out my other vlogs. I will leave them over there. Can you actually? So guys, we've come to the end of the video. As always, I enjoyed filming it. So if I enjoyed filming it, you enjoyed watching it. So give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. And if I do film a video, you will be getting a personal shout out. Share this video with at least one person, because if you all did that, we'll be past the goal of 1K onto my new goal of 10K, baby. Follow me on my social media. It's right there for daily updates and have a look into my life and to submit your questions for my Random Talk series. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just click over there and it will give you all the information. While you're at it, go watch my last video. It's right over there. I will also leave my uni playlist down below, which has all of like my uni vlogs, me moving in last year, what my room looks like, and answering all of your uni questions. And yeah, I think that's it. As always, I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
I heard the man say, one day, I don't play, from Monday to Sunday. I heard the man say, one day, I don't play, from Monday to Sunday.